Usually it's not impact of embryo implantation. Probably it's a result of some respiratory infect, and unfortunately we can't avoid it. But in majority of cases, it doesn't have any impact for implantation. I don't think so. That is dangerous. Yes, if you are very strong disease and you are cutting strongly, it can have negative impact of implantation. But usually we can't avoid it.